Crops play a huge, important part in traditional cultures. And what we need to realize when we talk about food and when we talk about food in conjunction or in the context of indigenous cultures, especially here in the Southwest in New Mexico, is that the cultural traditions are not separated from the food itself. For instance, a really good example would be corn. And corn is sustenance. It is something that we eat, and we eat it in many delicious dishes here in New Mexico. But with corn comes cultural traditions. For instance, there's a special stick that you use to make a hole in the ground. When you make the hole, you sing a song, you make a prayer. With that prayer, you plant the seeds. Once the seeds are planted, then you sing the corn to watch it grow with each stage, and then you harvest the corn. Once the corn is harvested, you then take it, it becomes food, but all the parts of the corn are used. The pollen, the leaves or the husks are used in different applications with different tribal groups. The corn itself is used, the cobs are used. And so when you revitalize a food or when you keep alive a food tradition, you're not only keeping alive the food itself, you're keeping alive all of the tradition that is attached to that food. And it's very important, especially in Native culture, to keep alive all the components. There's protocol. Elders tell us we have to do things a certain way in conjunction with food. And so all of these things are kept alive when we revitalize the food itself.